Alright guys, we have the 3-tier SPACEKEEPER. This is a slim storage cart right here. Allows you to put things and store things in places you never knew you had room for storage. SPACEKEEPER, 3-tier storage carts, super slim. Unbox the SPACEKEEPER. Oh, bottom tier, mid tier, and the top tier. We have some mounting clips right here, some wheels right here. These are the rods right here that connects the shelf together. Boom, put this in. Boom, put this in. Put these in by hand right here. Use some force to put it in, or you can use this red thing right here to give you some extra leverage to put these things down. Here's level 1. Look how easy it is. You put the shelf together. It holds really well. No tools needed, guys. Here's the second tier. Easy, right? Less than 5 minutes. Here we go. The last tier right here. We're putting out the easy, slim storage cart right here. Very easy, very simple. Put it together. Solid. Very slim. The 4 wheels. Very easy. You just push these in. Notice the ones that have locking. You can decide where you want the locking wheel. The ones that have this can lock. See the wheels right here? I'm just gonna push in. That's it. The wheel's installed. Very easy. Just push in right there. So push in. You get this wheel. Push in. It's installed. And this one doesn't have the lock, but this one has a lock. That's our end cap. We just block it, and then it looks nice. Boom. There's your end cap right there. Boom. That's it right there. Boom. The big hook right here. Little tiny hook. The J hook. You slide them on, and boom. There it is. That's the hook. You put the small hook on. Boom. Just like that. Now you can hang things off it. Just like this. Boom. Easy, right? Boom. Add a hook right there. Boom. Another hook installed right there. There's another hook right there. Boom. The 3-tier cart, and it has wheels. It spins. So narrow. So slim. 5.1 inches. Super narrow. You can put this between your toilet or places where you never knew you could put storage area, and then pull it out when you need to. You can remove the clips to make it even more slim, right? You can put like boxes right here. You can put other areas, more storage stuff. You can hang this right here. There's a full shelving unit right there, all stored, ready to go. You can put so much there. This is the SPACEKEEPER 3-tier slim shell. Oh yeah, store your stuff right here. You can store a lot of stuff in this slim SPACEKEEPER shelf. 3-tier slim SPACEKEEPER storage carts right here with wheels. Ah yeah.